YouTube! Welcome to another video of my Swiss Army knife workshop series. Today I'll show you how to open the entrance from a hidden slot. Personally, I like the plus scales because this plus scale has a slot for a pen. And this pen I use very often during my carving projects. The plus scale has also an additional slot, but this entrance is closed. In this video I show you how to open this entrance and I show you for what I use this additional slot. This hidden slot is designed for models where you have a display on the front side. Because on the back side you can put in a little tweezers. On all other models with this plus scale, this entrance is closed. Now I'll show you how to open the entrance. For this task I need the metal saw from the Swiss Army knife and my glasses. First I made two cuts with the metal saw blade along the side walls. Now the second cut. Now I craft the space for the head from the tool who comes in. If you have a little needle file, this task will be a lot easier. Now the short tweezer fits already in. The entrance for the additional slot is finished. Now I'll show you for what I use that. On the front side handle you can put in the tweezers. Then on the back side, as I already explained, I like to have a pen and instead of the toothpick I like to have the Firefly Firesteel, because to have a Firesteel backup in the knife is a fantastic thing. Now I have to modify the toothpick that it fits into the new slot. As you can see, the rounding of the head of the toothpick is on the wrong side and the toothpick is too long. So that's why I go back with the toothpick until here. Now I cut here. Then I cut the second piece. This is for the head. This is second glue. Now you have to round up the edges a little bit, and then you have a modified toothpick. Now your toothpick is ready. I hope you liked this little modification. Please check my other modification videos in this playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next Friday. Ciao!